So, a very commonly used behavioral task to assess whether a drug is aversive or rewarding is actually something called the conditioned place preference or CPP paradigm. And this basically consists of two separate chambers that are often connected by like a small little connecting portion. And the two chambers differ significantly in terms of like the flooring. They may have different flooring. They may have different things on the walls, different visual cues, different textural cues. So these are two very distinct places, and they first assess whether an animal like a rodent cares about one more than the other, spends more time in this one versus the other, and if they basically sort of divide their time pretty equally, which is typically the case as long as there's nothing inherently aversive or rewarding about one place or the other, well, then they'll start to deliver drug, let's say cocaine or something like that, in this chamber. And in the other chamber, they'll deliver like saline, right? They'll deliver just something that's not going to be psychoactive. And so after they've basically paired the drug with a particular chamber, particular environment, well, then they will see where the animal likes to spend its time. And if it got cocaine or caffeine or nicotine in this particular chamber, with a nubby floor and stripes on the walls or something, it'll tend to spend a lot more time in that particular location. So this is called the conditioned place preference task or test, and it's very commonly used to assess the rewarding or aversive effects of drugs.